Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. Let me go ahead and apologize for the room being so dark. It is raining out here in Texas, so the lighting isn't that great, but I have this haul that I need to do so I can get these stuff put away. Let's get started. The first item that I got was this picture stand. I needed one of this to use upstairs in my living room, so I got this at a yard sale. It was only 50 cents. The next item that I got is this beautiful mosaic candle. It's in silver. It is very, very heavy, absolutely beautiful, and it was only $1. I want to say this is about 15 or 16 inches tall, so not a bad deal for $1. I got this candle. It's shoreline driftwood, has not been burnt. See, amazing. I just love candles. So I got this for $2.50. The next item I got was this candle holder. It is like in a light gray, not light gray, I'm sorry, a charcoal gray, which matches my office. So I may put this in my office. If not, once I get my living room situated in my on my bookshelf in the living room. And this was also $2.50. The next item I got was this beautiful, it's made out of metal basket, absolutely gorgeous. The lady that I bought it from, she was actually moving. She just wanted to get rid of some stuff, so I got this for $1. Absolutely beautiful. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Real nice and heavy, and again, it was only $1. Okay, the next item I got also from this lady who was moving was this wired basket. Again, I am an eclectic person, so I like a little bit of everything. I guess people will consider this to be farmhouse, but I absolutely love it. I think I might put some towels in here and put it in one of my guest bathrooms. Just absolutely gorgeous, and this was $2. Okay, the next item I got is actually 3 pieces that I got for $5, and it is these I just can't think what it's called, but once I figure it out, I'll link it in the description box down below. So I got the & sign. This is either the letter I or a dash. I don't know, but I will be using it in my office just for display, as well as a C. As you guys know, my name does not begin with C. However, it came as a set. I liked it for the decor per se, and my dogs too. My dog's names start with C, so that's why I got it. And like I said, all 3 pieces was $5. Okay, the next 2 items I got were these. I got 2 of them. This one is a little bit larger than the other one. I don't know if you can see that, but I got both for $5. I'll be using this upstairs to contain my dog treats. And the next item I got was this for the outdoor, which has the letter S for our last name, and I like that it has the orange, so I will only be using this for the fall, so I can't wait to put this outside. And this, along with the pole, was just $1. Next is this pineapple, really huge pineapple. This is not my color scheme, but I definitely will be painting it, and it'll be great for summer next year since summer is almost gone. Well, it still feels like summer here in Texas, but I won't be using it this year. I'll be saving it for next year. I would say this is about maybe 18 inches tall, and I only paid $1. The next item that I got, guys, was this floor arrangement. I don't know if I can get it all in the frame, but really cute. Again, I will be using this maybe for the holidays. If not for the holidays, definitely for spring. And I absolutely love it. And I got this too as well for $1. Okay, the next two items that I got, guys, were tripods. I actually have you guys sitting on a tripod. I think you could never have too many tripods, because sometimes I may film upstairs and then I'll have to take this upstairs, or if I'm doing it in the kitchen, I have to drag it to the kitchen. So I figured if I got a couple of them, I could probably leave one upstairs, one in the kitchen, and one here where I'm filming right now. So like I said, I got two of these. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them. As a matter of fact, I used this one already and it worked really fine. They're very sturdy, and I got them for $2 a piece. I think this one that I bought it on Amazon for $12. So $2 a piece, I think is a really, really good deal. The next two items that I got, they're identical, so I'll only show you one. And it is this beautiful rug, which I have to wash. There's no stain or anything on it. You see the pattern on this? It's in gray and white, or gray, charcoal gray and a light gray. Hope you guys can see that. And I got them for $2 a piece. This is probably a 2x3, which I will be using in my kitchen. Absolutely nothing wrong, no stains, no snag, nothing. So $2 a piece, this was coming home with me. I also paid $2 for it. It is not in my color scheme. I definitely will be repainting it, and I don't want to blind you guys, but it is this mirror right here. Okay, I'm just going to turn it around so you can see the design. And guys, I only paid $2 for it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Just a little paint and it should be good to go. Well guys, this is the end of my thrifted haul. If you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. After this haul, I might be doing a Ross haul or a thrifted fall haul. I'm not sure which one I'm going to be doing. So if you'd like to see which one I will be doing next, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you decide to subscribe to the channel, make sure you turn on that notification bell so you could be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Again guys, thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. Well guys, you guys be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.